take a look at one way I like to use my manga to study. And so I'll be reading, and then eventually I'll come to a word that I either don't know the meaning of or I don't know how to read. I'll then pull out my notebook, and then I'll write down the kanji. Don't mention, I know my handwriting isn't the best. I'll write down the kanji, what I think the reading is, and what I think the meaning is. Typically after this, I go back to reading my book, and then the next time I come across a word I don't know, I do the same thing. I write down what I think it's read as and what I think it means, go back to the book, and then once I'm finished the entire book, I move on to this next step. I then pull up my iPad and I go to the Jisho app, or the dictionary app. I like to handwrite it with my Apple Pencil just because it does pay attention to the stroke order, so it helps me study a little bit more. I know I'm writing in the right order. And I look up the meaning, and you can see here already I wrote down the incorrect reading. Using this app as a reference, I then correct myself. So I wrote koho fume, which is half right, half incorrect, and I'm correcting it to yukure fume, but I did write down the correct meaning. Then as a last step, if there's a lot of words in a certain volume that I didn't understand, I like to go to memorize, and I'll create a little flashcard set to help me remember the meanings or readings or both of any kanji compound word.